In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xbox controller to Nintendo Switch with Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the Xbox controller features Bluetooth connectivity. It makes it easy to connect it to compatible devices and use it completely wirelessly. Now, of course, you cannot simply connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller to a Switch. You need a Switch-compatible controller to get this to work. Now, if you use adapters, you can actually get this to work. And for this video, it is exactly what I want to present. So I just wanted to make that very clear. You cannot do it natively. You need to use an adapter. By using an adapter, you will be able to connect your Xbox controller or any other controller to your Nintendo Switch over Bluetooth. So the controller or the adapter that I want to recommend in this video is the Magic S Pro 2 from Mayflash. You can use other adapters as long as they do the exact same function. So you plug this USB stick either into the dock of your Nintendo Switch, like this image here, or you can use the included USB-C to USB-A adapter and plug it here. This allows you to use it on a Nintendo Switch Lite, for example, as you can see on this image. And it is going to allow you to connect all sorts of controllers. So all that you have to do is plug it into either the dock, like I mentioned, or plug it directly into the console using the adapter. Now, power on your Xbox controller and make sure that this is set up properly. You have to see a red or purple light here. To change the color of this light, you just have to press the button highlighted here at the top. So this is going to change it from all of these compatibility modes, and you just have to make sure that it is red, either red or purple. With this done, once you see the light, you just power on the Xbox controller like I mentioned and press the connect button, and it will automatically pair itself up with the USB adapter. If it doesn't work, make sure that this option is enabled in the system settings, Pro Controller Wired Communication. By enabling this, you will be able to use your Xbox controller through Bluetooth wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xbox controller to Nintendo Switch with Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.